Let's talk about how ditching class is bad. And you should not be ditching class.
I didn't ditch class this morning. I woke up late. My alarm didn't go off.
That. You ditched class before?
No, I haven't.
No?
No.
Okay, I wasn't sure because I thought you did. I might be wrong.
No.
I don't know.
I did.
See, I don't like ditching class. Like, I should go to my writing lab now.
No, don't go.
Oh. Sound like somebody wants me to ditch. Anyways, it's been about 42 seconds now. 45.
We just want to say hi because we haven't made a video in a while.
Actually, we haven't made a video
Except for our sneak peek when she said tender, and I hate that word.
Tender.
Stop. Go to class. See, I'm an encourager. She needs to go to class. Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings. Wait, it